Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday. You can see I have my gliding discs. It's another Pilates with paper plates. This one's gonna be a little bit quicker because it's a lot of planking. So grab your discs, your plates, your towels, set up your space. If you want something under the knees, fine, but just under the knees because we're gonna need to space for the legs. So as you can see, I'm actually gonna move forward here. So let's get moving and grooving. Let's go ahead and put the plates, we're gonna put the plates, under our toes today. And yeah, set them up there. And just take a moment because it all revolves around tabletop or cat-cow. Just take a few cat-cows. And I want you to do you. So maybe you arch and curl, maybe you shift forward and back like we did last week. Maybe you do a little side to side. Just wake up the spine, shake out the wrist, get the shoulders ready. Just take a little moment of improv here. So I was seeing, we have a hedgehog, the cutest little hedgehog, and I thought I was gonna catch a glimpse of it. But alas, no. One more moment there, so we can get to planking. Excellent. So I'm going to move forward a little bit because again, we're going to need some space behind us. So from here, find your table-ish top. And it's a little more table for you. And then from here, exhale, float your knees. Tap the knees down. Inhale, exhale. Belly lifts us off. Just a little bit. 2 more. Once more. This time we stay floating and we stretch one leg. Stretch, pull it in, switch. Stretch, pull it in. Stretch, pull it in. Imagine you have a goblet of red wine on your tailbone and we're wearing something really white and precious. One more each. Find center, release. Take a moment in between to do whatever you need. I'm probably gonna need to shake out my wrists, roll my shoulders. As you can see, last week was all about gooey torso. Now it's about scooping it in. Not that it's immobile, but that it's very strong to allow some movement in the lower body. That was number 1. This time we just alternate like single leg stretch. So exhale, here we go, float. One leg out and then switch. Sometimes these are called mountain climbers. And 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, why did I count it the slow way? 4 and 3, I don't know. And 2 and 1. And both knees in, release. Woo! Again, it's steamy in here. Hopefully it is for you. Planking is a great way for so many things, but to really build heat from within. So take a moment. This time, both legs out and in, little jackrabbit. And you might notice that you have to shift your shoulders forward and back. That's okay. Let's do it and see what happens. Find that table. Inhale. Exhale. Float. Both legs out. In. Out. Let's actually pump. Exhale. Exhale. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and find the table. Whew, let it go. Hey, not too shabby postpartum. Granted, it's been about 9 months. Nonetheless, I'm surprised I can do this. So hopefully you are too. Let's pat ourselves on our back. Last variation, small circles. So we're gonna take our legs out in a diagonal, in, out, in, out, in. And you might hear it in my voice, it's a little bit of a sprint, yeah? So you might feel that as well. Okay, here we go. Find the table. Inhale, I'm gonna move this way a little bit for you. Exhale, float it up. Open the legs a little bit out, in, out. Maybe here, I'll make that sound for you. Maybe the legs come together, all the way, together, out, in. Same breath pattern as before. 4, 3, 2, and find your plank, or table plank, and release. Take a moment. And we're just gonna finish with the first two that we started with. Single leg, just for 4, and then alternate for 8. Single leg stretch. Here we go. Sprint to the finish. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Switch. 2. 3. 4. Now, alternate. Mountain climbers. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's do that again. Start with the opposite leg. Out. Switch. 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 Let's finish. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Find your plank. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button to sky. Scoop it in. Release. I'm gonna come onto my mat because the floor is hard. Take a moment. Actually, it's up to you what you wanna do. Let's maybe do a quick child's pose. And then we're gonna finish with a hang because I think that's gonna feel great. Notice your heart rate, your heat, your breath. Coming up to all fours, I'm gonna use my fists, and then pick yourself up. You can soften the knees. What we're gonna do what you need to do to stand on your hands. Put those toenails right up against the crease of the wrist, and then just shift a little into it. This is a great recovery for the wrists. Let yourself melt. Give a little shake and nod to the head. Maybe your knees are bent, maybe the elbows are bent, maybe both are stretched, whatever. Again, you do you. Let's just stay here. All that heat and that energy, let's just let it go. Let's receive a little bit of cooling, a little bit of stillness, a little bit of quiet. Maybe a little bit of release. And then just gently come on off those hands, grab either elbow. Again, hang through that little frame there. Maybe sway or figure 8. And then let that go. I'm gonna come down. You might wanna roll up. But whatever you do, take a moment to be sort of centered, either standing on both feet, sitting on both cheeks, letting your arms and shoulders really release. Thanking your paper plates, your discs, your towels. That was kind of fun. Again, thank you for your suggestions. So if you have any other things like, yes, I really want to see ... put it in the comments. And subscribers, as always, thank you so much for being here. Welcome, potential new subscribers. Everyone hit that bell. Fresh videos drop every Wednesday, like this, workout videos. Every other Monday, there's a quick tip. So again, if you have questions on a specific thing, put it in the comments and I'll put it in the quick tip for you. Until then, see you next time.